Hey everyone, it's Chris Vandeninde with Oils for Everything coming to you today with a special huge announcement. Actually, two announcements that I have for you. We at Oils for Everything have developed our very first ebook. Yay! So we want you to be among the first to get a copy of our ebook for free. That's right, we're gonna give you our ebook for free. The title of our ebook is 30 of the Best DIY Essential Oil Recipes. This book is chock full with do-it-yourself recipes for essential oil lovers. This includes everything from hair care to body washes, shampoos, lotions, soaps. We also are gonna have baby care products in there. We're going to have cleaning supplies that you can make all natural ingredients with essential oils, as well as pet care products and much more. Just to give you a quick sample of a couple of things to expect, we have an antibacterial all-purpose cleaner in there that uses lavender, lemon, and rosemary, and a secret ingredient in there. We also have a natural sunscreen. It's super hot outside. It's summertime. You got to put away those aerosol cans. They're so bad for the environment, so bad for us as well. So this is an all-natural sunscreen using your favorite lotion plus zinc oxide, some carrot seed oil, and beeswax pellets. So we'll show you how to make that. There's also, even for babies, we have a diaper rash cream, all-natural diaper rash cream using coconut oil. So check it out. You will be able to reserve your copy and be the first to receive this ebook for free before we start putting it in the stores and advertising it for sale. So all you have to do is follow the link down below, and that will take you to where you can sign up to get your free copy. The second announcement I want to make is, because this is a do-it-yourself recipe book, we actually just launched a brand new product for our 16-ounce bottles. We have these 16-ounce bottles with the new trigger sprayers, and on top of that, we just got some new hand pumps that will be perfect to use with your do-it-yourself recipes for shampoos, lotions, body washes, whatever you want to put in here. This will work perfect for them. We got a ton of them that we got to try out. These are made of stainless steel. We narrowed it down to that. There's probably over 20 we tested out, and we narrowed it down to stainless steel. We tested the durability of them. We abused them, beat them up there, hit them as hard as we could, put a bunch of stuff through them, and found the absolute best one for you. And we narrowed it down to this beautiful looking thing that is super thick, super sturdy, and will work great with all your do-it-yourself recipes. So guess what? You are going to be among the first to reserve your pre-order of this set here, and if you want to get it, it's 45% off, but that is only for those who register and get it today. So take a look at the link down below, reserve your copy of the ebook, and then go ahead and pre-order your set of do-it-yourself 16-ounce bottle kit with new hand pumps. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Chris with Oils for Everything. Have a blessed day. Yes, that went good.